Maple baked beans may seem like a very simple recipe, but it is a all-time favorite of mine, and I'm going to show you how I make them. So first of all, we're going to need some dried beans. We've got some navy beans here. We're also going to need an onion, but I forgot to bring that out. Also some bacon. This is sliced McCheek bacon. Some maple syrup. Make sure it's real maple syrup. Some mustard powder. Some ground mace. Black pepper. And let's get started. So first, oh boy, I was looking for a bean jar. I got this thing. Twice as big as I thought it'd be. So first we're going to need to put all our beans in there, fill with water, and let that sit overnight. Alright, see you in the morning. And we're back. Let's take a look and see our bean jar after one night of soaking. Alright, those beans have soaked up a lot of water. Now it is time to boil these beans. First we're going to strain them. This is what you can do with the bean water after straining. I don't know, make some whiskey sours, I guess. Alright, so I'm going to put them in a nice pot. We're going to set this to simmer for at least an hour to get the beans nice and tender. Yeah, I decided to just get a bigger pot. Let's just be safe. It's been an hour and now we have the beans out. We're going to chop up one onion. We don't need to make a nice fine chop. We don't even need to be very even. This is going to be stewing for at least 8 hours in a pot. Is it stewing or is it baking? Well, I guess it's baking. So let's just say they're baking for 8 hours. There we go. So just a nice rough chop on those onions. They're going to break down really nicely. Alright, and as for the rest of our cheek bacon, again, you don't need to slice nice small slices, just any size slices. They're going to break down a little bit in the cooking process. Alright, now we're going to start assembling and throwing everything in the pot. First the beans. Whoops, a little bit of spill there, nothing we can't handle. Then we're going to throw in the onions. All of the onions. There we go. Right, then we're going to throw in the bacon. Then we're going to put in, I would say, about a quarter cup of maple syrup. Make sure it's real maple syrup, not maple flavored syrup. Now we're going to put in about, I'd say, 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard powder. I'm going to say about 1 tablespoon of the ground mace. We're going to use this big wooden spoon to sort of mix everything around, push everything down, make sure that we don't have a large concentration of bacon in one spot or onions in another. Make sure the spices move around nicely. Alright, now we're going to add in some black pepper. I'm going to say about half a tablespoon of black pepper. Using this new automatic pepper grinder. And we're going to fill the water to cover. Alright, we're going to lid this up. Take it to a 300-degree oven for, I'd say, about minimum 5 hours, maximum about 8 to 10 hours. Alright, it has been another night. And now it is time for us to look at the fruits of our labor. Or the beans of our labor, I should say. Alright. Get some nice big spoonfuls of this maple baked beans. Color's a little lighter than usual baked beans, but trust me, it's that maple. If I use something like molasses, the beans would be a lot darker, but this has a very unique flavor that I love. Alright, let's just go give that a try. Oh wow, that is amazing. It's a great side dish that goes with anything. I personally love it with pork chops. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.